How to send music in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to your Messenger application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging in, you can just tap on any profile that you want to send the music to. So I'm going to choose this one. So after choosing, here you can see the option of 4 dotted lines at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on that and you can see the option of files. Tap on files, and after tapping on files you'll be led to your file manager. So here you can just tap on 3 lines and tap on the downloads, or you can just go for recent. And as you can see, there's no music files available for us over here, so which means that we cannot send the message or the music directly to the person in Messenger. So what we can do is we can just record this music via recording this article or from this icon over here, or what you can do is you can screen record the song and then send it to this person. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.